There are reviews.
There are previews.
And then there is a review of a preview.
This time's ROP is Wazir.
This year seems to be beginning with action movies.
What with Wazir, followed by the Bab of all action movies, Ghayal once again, and of course,
Varun Dhawan and John Abraham star Dishoom poster already released.
But for now, ROP is Bijoy Nambiar's Wazir.
Bijoy Nambiar, Shaitan and David.
who are all these people?
Bijoy Nambiar is the director of Wazir and Shaitan and David are the movies directed by him.
Oh.
खेल खेल में खेल खेल के खेल खेल ये आ जाएगा वजीर मरेगा साले लकड़े की काठी काठी पे घोड़ा घोड़े की दुम पे जो मारा
And Aditi Rao Hydari.
Aditi who?
Delhi 6. ये साली जिंदगी लंदन पेरिस न्यूयॉर्क रॉकस्टार
अरे that was Nargis Fakri.
मर्डर 3 बॉस खूबसूरत
Oh, Aditi Rao Hydari.
also Manav Kaul. Don't even ask.
I know, Kaipo Che, right?
Right. All in one movie. काश बोलते बोलते आरोपी का पूरा एपिसोड ही खत्म हो जाएगा।
और वैसे भी YouTube पे 2 मिनट से ज्यादा तो कोई वीडियो देखता ही नहीं।
और मैगी के आने के बाद ये 2 मिनट भी बहुत कीमती हो गए।
The one reason I want to watch this movie is
Is
simple because there is no better movie to watch that weekend.
But come on, it's from the stable of Vinod Chopra films and it has to be good.
Stable? Are you saying stable because his previous production was broken process?
Vinod Chopra, shut up, films has to be substantial and watchable. The strongest point that comes across in the teaser is
Amitabh sir's mustache?
No, Baba.
Farhan Akhtar's army kotlu?
No.
Aditi's smile?
No, silly. The screenplay and the script.
Well, yes, I will have to agree on that count. The story appears to be fast-paced and gritty, just like any action thriller should be.
The teasers are intense with the promise of some real powerful performances and thrilling action sequences.
तो इसमें कॉमेडी तो होगी ही नहीं ना?
For that, my friend, you will have to wait for Munna by 3 or maybe Ferrari Ki Sawari returns.
But I'm gonna watch it for Farhan Akhtar. I just love his husky voice. अरे तुझे क्या लगता है? अदिति मर जाती होगी ना इंटरवल के पहले?
नहीं, इंटरवल के बाद ऐसे फ्लैशबैक में.
हाँ मतलब पर मरी तो इंटरवल के पहले ही ना?
No, I don't think that's Aditi. कोई और ही होगा. Maybe ओमकार नाथ की बेटी.
So, guess, would it be a revenge story? I have my doubts. There are going to be lots and lots of twists and lots of turns, for sure.
You never know who's playing who. तेरे बिन.
Sounds so beautiful now.
But, do you think action movies need to have any songs at all?
अरे मेरे दोस्त ये बॉलीवुड है यहाँ सॉन्ग्स पहले बनते हैं और अगर टाइम बच जाए तो स्टोरी भी लिख लेते हैं
And thank God this is at 100 frames per second. Imagine what the song would be like if it would be at 200 frames per second.
बट जो भी है तेरे बिन इज अ स्वीट रोमांटिक नंबर penned by
Shut up.
Vinod Chopra.
Is there something that this man cannot do? And Aditi looks so beautiful in that song, doesn't she?
The sweetness of the words and the softness of the music works for us and so we give it a
Rukhsar.
And for action.
तू मेरे पास तू रहना.
is yet another sad, sweet, soulful song.
But for me, too slow. And for all action movie lovers, not necessary. Probably an Ankit Tiwari song, so होना ही चाहिए.
So what do we give it? Rukhsar or down?
We give it a Rukhsar.
Absolutely not for me.
Mola, mere Mola, mere Mola.
One more song.
Yes, and the visuals aren't very clear in the context of the movie.
Cinematic respite, that's what they called it back then in the 80s and the 90s.
But for me, it works.
In the context of the movie, maybe it works for me also.
Action thriller में गाना क्यों यार?
खेल खेल में
खेल खेल के.
खेल खेल ये आ जाएगा. But one more song.
Yes, and mind you, the song is sung by Amit sir.
अमिताभ बच्चन सर तो एक बार तो सुनना बनता है.
तुम्हें पता है जब हमारे मम्मी पापा पैदा भी नहीं हुए थे ना, तब से अमित जी इस इंडस्ट्री में काम कर रहे हैं.
तो हम कौन होते इस गाने को रुक्सअप या रुक्सडाउन देने वाले?
We love you अमित सर.
We love you, Amit sir.
Some amazing facts about Wazir.
It is produced by,
Vidhu Vinod Chopra.
written by Abhijit Joshi and
Vidhu Vinod Chopra.
screenplay by Abhijit Joshi and
Vidhu Vinod Chopra.
edited by Abhijit Joshi and
Vidhu Vinod Chopra.
the story is by
Vidhu Vinod Chopra.
shut up.
And in 1 week's time we have
Our own Desi Arnold Sunny Paji
Coming to flex his muscles for Ghayal once again.
only on ROP.
ये जब 2.5 किलो का हाथ पड़ता है तो आदमी उठता नहीं, उठ जाता है.
ये फरंगिया गन पकड़ता है ना, ऐसा लगता है कि बचपन से ही गन पकड़ता है.
ए यार, ये शट अप वाला ज्यादा नहीं हो गया ना?
एक्चुअली यार
Shut up!